Everyone, so when you're working on your rear brakes, right down here you have a button. That's for your electronic parking brake. If your car comes with this, you usually have a electronic mechanism on your calipers in the rear. So you'll have to put this in service mode to service your brake pads or your rotors and pads, whichever you're doing, but you will need to put this in service mode. So I'm going to show you how. All right, you want to start up here, your start button. Just give that a press. You're going to go to your accelerator. Everyone knows the accelerator, they should. So you want to press down on your accelerator. You're going to hold this parking button down and you're going to press this 3 times. There we go. Heard that noise? And now it's going to have that P there, and that's going to be to service your rear brakes. Now to take this off, you want to do the same procedure but a little different. So you want to hold this parking brake up like that, and again 3 times here. And that, if you can hear that noise, going back in, and that symbol is gone now.